Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. All you gotta do is click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer. Besides this item, if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good holiday weekend. Everybody is safe. And now it's official summertime. Time to clean out your pools. Get your pool parties ready. You're going to need one of these coming from Wybot. You guys seen them on commercials everywhere on the cable networks. Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. Top of the line right now. Brand new. Just dropped. And here we go. And this is what it looks like when you get it. You got all the goodies there. Manual. And here we go. And here's a quick start guide. There you get easy peasy charger. There's app. Android or iOS. Apple Store or Google Play. So simple, easy peasy. And now here you get the manual. In case you're a first timer. You might want to read it. Sponges. Not sure what the sponges are for. Ultra fine filter. Oh, okay. So you slide it into the tank. Boom, boom, boom. It's like a mini tank. Not Voltron, Tron. Those bikes. Especially with the Neon Blue. I have no idea what this thing is for. It's like some kind of rubbery foam. Well, you're probably going to need it, so. Oh. That's cool. Plug and play. And now here she is. The Wybot 2025 Smart Bot Pool Cleaner. Looking sweet. Look at those. And here. And that's a hook. You can take an attachment rod, stick it onto it, and pull it out of the pool. You'll see it at the end of the video. Once I'm done with this part. It is shiny. Water shoots out. Excuse me. Here is the trunk. Or where the filter is stored. How do I open? Alright, YouTubers, here we go. The Wybot app. Boom. Firmware update. So really cool. Easy to use. Can't wait to see what it does outside. We're going to do the update first. Make sure you do all the updates now. Before you put it in the pool. Everything will be good to go. And then make sure that's closed. Pretty cool. Alright, be back. Uh-oh. It's gonna attack. It's almost there. About 2 seconds, it'll be ready. Wybot. So here we go. 0.99. 99.8. It's always that last second. But you had balls. should be an interesting video. Here we go. Any second. I think it might move. It's gonna go really fast. Check out the tires. Pretty gnarly. And there's the flaps. And then there's this side. Oh yeah. We're about to be done in a few seconds. Make sure your Wi-Fi is good and everything will be alright. Gotta put you on pause. Maybe not. Here we go. Whoa, red light. What is this? Squid Games. Red light, green light. Dude. Alright, here we go. Which way does it go next? Nobody knows. They make a long video. Spam. Poolside in a few minutes. It's nice outside. We go outside today. I ain't going swimming. We gotta go. Come on. Stuck. Alright, we'll be back. Alright guys, in order to lift the tank or the trunk, see up here, boom, and then extends, filter, everything's out. Here we go, make sure it's nice and nice, and then shut, boom. Boom, boom, boom. There's the power button. Am I going to have to download the app?